App not available on your region. Are you trying to download the app and it is showing you app not available on your region? In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix that problem. If it's your first time coming across the channel, please do to subscribe. Not wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. The first step you need to take is to go to your Play Store. On your Play Store, you need to click on the profile icon on the top right corner of your screen. On your profile here, you need to scroll down gently and click on Settings. On your settings here, you're going to be clicking on General. Then click on App and Device Performance. So here you are going to be able to see your country in this place. So yeah, as you can see here, you can say switch to the Nigeria Play Store. Yeah, so mine is not Nigeria Play Store. So in order for you to change this, you need to make sure that the country you are changing it to is the country you are based in, the country you are in. That's where you're going to be changing your region to. Okay. The next step you need to you need to go back to your apps and tap and hold on the App Store and click on app info. Then the next step you need to take is to go to the storage and cache, clear the cache, and you can go ahead and stop the app. Then the next step you need to take is to go check your network. Make sure your network is stable and make sure the app is available for Play Store. So if it's not, you can still go ahead and go to Right Source and download the app. Okay, so that is on how to fix this problem. If you found this video helpful, because I've come to the end of this video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Type in the comment section if you have to find anything concerning Play Store, or you are trying to download any app, you don't know how to go ahead and download it. I won't hesitate to give you guys feedback. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.